Good evening, advisory families. My name is Heidi Pendergraph, and I am your child's advisory teacher. For my seniors, I'll only have them 1 year, but for everyone else, I will have you for as long as you were at school. So my juniors, you get me for 2 years. Obviously, freshmen, that means 4 years, and sophomores, that means 3. So advisory is a little different this year than it has been before, and it's causing some confusion, especially for our juniors and seniors who've had it in the past. This year, advisory is on Monday and Fridays. Mondays are frozen. On Mondays, we are spending time together as an advisory class, learning about things that will help us better our mental health, our academic abilities, a whole bunch of other things, our personalities, our relationships. We talk about everything from stress and mindfulness to college planning. So we go through all of these different lessons on Monday. Your child will not travel on Monday. Some of those lessons will take a majority of the time. Some of them they will not. And so they'll have time to do some homework in here, but they just can't leave. On Fridays, your child will be able to travel to a teacher's classroom where they need to get some remediation. It could be to work on a group project with some friends. It could be to retake a test or make up a test. It could be to get some help with a concept that they're struggling with. That is Fridays. What I've done in front of you that you see on the screen is our Schoology page. Okay. On the Schoology page, I have the calendar right here, and every time I get new information, I will update that. So you and your child can come to the Schoology page, click on the calendar, and it will tell you. You can see that September is a little bit different just because we're trying to get up and going. So actually, this Friday, the 17th, is the first day that most kids can travel. Our seniors still will not be able to travel because they have a senior meeting during advisory that day. We traditionally have senior meetings during the academic portion of AA. We're now calling it advisory. And so this is something we've been doing for years. So that will come up on this Friday. We will be talking about stress next Monday. And then the 27th, this is homecoming week. So because they're going to lose their advisory on Friday for the homecoming pep assembly, we are actually going to let them travel on the 27th. So you can just kind of follow through and see where we're at. We got through October. This is what we have so far. There's nothing on Fridays because that's a travel day. If something comes up, I will add it so that the kids know. Okay, so that's the first part of this Schoology page. Then, important resources. So if you look at this, you will find there's a mental health sheet that talks about the counselors that we have here on staff, our psychologists, and our social workers. If your child or yourself is trying to find out who is my kid's social worker, I'm sorry, let me go back. Not everybody has social workers. If who's my kid's counselor, this will be, you can find that information on this sheet. Okay, here's the syllabus for advisory. You can look at that. Everybody has the same syllabus for advisory, no matter what teacher they have. And then I just typed this up. I had a student ask the other day, like, can you remind me of how I travel? So this is the protocol for traveling. They need to get a pass from the teacher they want to visit. They need to bring that pass to me. They need to then sign out in my class and then travel to that teacher. So everything that's really important that's coming out will be in this Schoology page. Pretty easy to find. That's really advisory in a nutshell. There's not a lot. I am here to support them. I am here to help them. I am here to kind of be their cheerleader and their champion, and for us to work together as a group and become a school family in such a big building. If you have any concerns, if you have anything that you want me to know, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Email is probably the easiest way to do that, but you can also call the school and leave a message, and then I will get that and return that phone call. All right. I hope you each have a very great night, and hopefully we have a wonderful school year. I believe it will be really awesome. Bye.